Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would share with you a bunch of items that I feel like would be perfect stocking stuffers. I'm filming here in front of my mantle because I have all of my family's stockings out. I just thought it was like the perfect location for this. So if you guys would like to see some of my suggestions for stocking stuffers, things to fill up these guys back here, then just keep watching. First up are some items from First Aid Beauty. The first one being a gift set. They come out with some really great gift sets during this time of year, and please excuse the nails, they are desperately in need of redoing. This one is the All Signs Point to Fab Skin, and you have a cleanser, the repair cream, the Eye Duty Niacinamide brightening cream, which is new, the facial radiance pads, which I love, and the bump eraser, which I also love. And you get full size, and then the other three are travel size. It's $110 value for $49. Great idea. While this doesn't necessarily fit in a stocking, what I like to do is take apart gift sets like this and then gift each individual item in a stocking or with like a gift package. So it's a great way to buy multiples when you're shopping for multiple people that all love skincare. They also release these little limited edition scented hand creams. They're the ultra repair creams. We have vanilla cookie, which I'm sure smells amazing. First Snow and Candy Cane. I personally love anything vanilla or mint scented, so yeah, and they are sealed, so I'm not going to open them because I am saving a few of these for Christmas gifts myself. Next up are some gifts from Sonia Kashuk, which is a brand available at Target. If you guys have been following my channel for a while, you know that I'm a big fan of her brush sets, so had to include one of those in this year's stocking stuffer guide. This is the Luxe Face Collection Complete Brush Set. Looks like this, mint green handles. Mint green is like my color. I love it. My phone case is that color. I have like a teal winter jacket. Love it. If I could have a mint green car, I definitely would. Their brushes last forever. Now, obviously not literally. They last a very long time. I've had some of her brushes years and years and years. I wash them and reuse them over and over. They're really great quality. And I would consider them to be like drugstore pricing. I mean, it's available at Target. It's not going to break the bank. Really great brush sets if you're in the market to buy one this year. And they definitely would fit in a stocking. So love these. Also this year I've been on like a silk pillowcase kick for my daughter and myself because my hair breaks really easily and my daughter has 3C hair and it also breaks really easily. So we've been loving satin pillowcases. So Sonia Kashuk also has a line of pillowcases and makeup travel bags, things like that. So this is a great option and it definitely would fit in a stocking. So another great option from Sonia Kashuk. Sticking with drugstore items, Dove has this Body Love hand cream. It's sensitive skin. This is one of their newer ones. It's like a little travel size, perfect for a stocking. And then they also have the large size. I feel like this is better for like an under the tree thing or just to buy to have on hand for guests that are washing their hands often. So another really great one, and these have ceramides, which are great for dry skin, especially in the winter. And also my son, who has pretty bad eczema, his skin reacts really well to lotions with ceramides in them. So another great product. Another hair product that would be a great addition to a stocking if you have curly hair. This is the John Frieda Frizz Ease Dream Curls Daily Styling Spray. My hair is naturally curly. I do straighten it or blow dry it out. But when it's curly, it needs moisture, and my daughters both have extremely curly hair. They live by hair serums, hair conditioners, things like that. So highly recommend this along with a few other brands. I also like Aunt Jackie's curl creams and leave-in conditioners. So another one that you can get at the drugstore. Another brand that I share with you every year is Chapstick. Why? Because they are just so cute. They often will come in like tree ornaments or like a candy cane ornament, and they're the perfect size for tossing in a stocking or adding to a gift. This one is the Holiday Collection, and it has cinnamon, caramel cream, and holiday cocoa. They also have pumpkin pie for this time of year, holiday cocoa, pumpkin pie, candy cane, just candy cane, and they also have these Chapstick Total Hydration, like tinted moisture chapsticks, which I really enjoy. But my favorite product, which I've actually used up already and my husband's currently using my last tube, is the Overnight Lip Serum. It is fantastic for dry lips. I've gone through 3 or 4 tubes and my husband had no surgery last month. So everything has been extremely dry and he's been using that at night on his lips, and it's been a It's been a lip saver, if you will, because his lips have been so dry. It's been helping so much. So I highly recommend the little products from Chapstick for stockings. Moving on to some high-end items, Smashbox Brushes also last a very long time. This one is the cream cheek brush, which I use all the time for my cream blushes. I also like the wider one. There's like I think a foundation brush that's a little bit wider, and I'll sometimes use that one as well. These are great brushes, highly recommend these. I also really like the Superfan mascara. It's great for getting the lashes on the inner part of the eye, like those little ones that are often missed by big fluffy brushes. This one does a really great job of getting the lashes all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner. So that's a great one. And Smashbox does have some holiday sets. I just don't have any to share with you, but I believe that this is in a few of their holiday sets. So definitely check those out. And these also fit amazingly well into a stocking. And I'm not sure if you guys knew this or not, but Smashbox adopted Becca's like best-selling items, which are these two. So the Shimmering Skin Perfector and the Under Eye Brightening Corrector. And they were kind enough to send me little samples of both. I have tried Champagne Pop. It is a really blinding highlight. It is beautiful. So I'm glad that the Becca bestsellers are not completely gone, and that Smashbox has adopted them as their own, which is great. And I've actually never tried the Under Eye Brightening Corrector, so I'm very excited to give that a try. So if you were a big fan of Becca and sad that they're no longer around, Smashbox has you covered. Now on to some brands that I've actually never tried, but I'm very curious to try these, and I thought I would just share them with you as potential options. Like I said, I haven't tried these myself, but they're the brand Neostrata. This one is the Hydra Filling Eye Gel Cream with hyaluronic acid. It's a refilling eye treatment, which has me very intrigued because as I age, I do get more like shadow and more like hollow under the eyes. So this sounds amazing. So I can't wait to try that. That will be in my own stocking this year. And they also sent me the Intensive Renewal Hydro Filling Cream for the face. So hoping that it plumps and rejuvenates and does all things wonderful. And then another brand that I haven't tried before is Exuviance, and they sent me the Bright Eyes Dark Circle Corrector, which I need, and the Age Reverse Total Correct and Sculpt Serum. So it's very hard for me to try out skincare products and share with you guys because you have to try them for like 3 weeks to 3 months to really know if they're going to work for your skin type. So by the time I get a product and like I want to share it with you guys, it hasn't been long enough for me to actually try it to tell you what I think. But these are some products that are new to me that they sent to me, so I figured I'd share them with you as potential stocking items. If you love breaking apart gift sets, then you'll probably really enjoy this. This is the Citan Hand Cream Collection. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little mini hand creams. You can break them up, put one in each stocking. You can add them to other gifts, or you can just gift this. As I said, it would be a great teacher gift. So this is really fun, and I always like their packaging. It's like bright and floral, and honestly reminds me of my grandmother's house because she has like flowered wallpaper all over her house, and all of her like furniture is also floral and printed and in the best possible way, but really pretty packaging. And then Drunk Elephant was kind enough to send me like a little sample of their product line. I've tried their, I want to say their vitamin C product and their sunscreen and one other product, and they sent me the Night Out little kit. And it's got like little sample products in here, so this is also perfect for like taking out and putting into a stocking, breaking apart. I feel like you can just get really good deals this time of year with value sets, gift sets, especially if you want to try something or break them apart and gift them to multiple people. So that is it for my stocking stuffer suggestions. I always have more, but these are like the new items, the holiday releases that I had handy to share with you guys. Of course, I always think gift cards make a great gift idea. Personally, I love Target, Ulta, Sephora, TJ Maxx, Panera because I'm addicted to their green tea. Can't really go wrong with a gift card, but if you're looking for a beauty gift, hopefully this gave you some ideas. I have some skincare, some makeup, some hair care, kind of have everything covered. So if you guys found this video helpful, if you did, remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.